Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include MP3 player, CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.